Good morning, guys. I'm about to put my dreads in again for the second time. The first time you guys had asked me like if I ever did them again, like to show you how I'm putting them in and like the transformation behind it, I guess. My room is a disaster, so please don't judge any of that. Here, let's see, I'll show you my dreads that I have. So this is my box of dreads, and the lighting in my room is terrible. Actually, you know what? Here they are. Looks like a gigantic spider. They came out within a week, I think, like after I put them in, because I didn't put them in correctly. My hair is very, very soft, very healthy, and they kind of slipped right out. I didn't use the correct elastics, and I didn't use the correct method of putting them in. I rushed, I didn't section, I just kind of threw them in wherever. Since then, I have shaved a little miniature triangle into the back of my head, which you can't even really see. Let's see if we can zoom in back there. See that little bitty triangle? It is basically grown out already. I just didn't like having certain little hairs being pulled back there, but I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the front and sides of my head with these, and then I'm going to be having my best friend put the ones in the back. So I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can today while she's at work, and then have her help me with the back. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can for you guys and show you the process. So the before is this is how long my hair is currently. It is a wash. I washed it yesterday, so I'm gonna spray some stuff in it, and then we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in. Okay, so I am sitting on my floor. Like I said, my room is a disaster, so don't pay attention to any of that stuff. And I understand my mirror is disgustingly dirty, but that's not what we're showing you right now. So I just want to show you guys what I have with me. So I actually got these from Sally's. So I got two different ones. I got some black ones that are supposed to not break your hair off, but these are actually meant for braiding. And so I got clear, and then I got these. I am using this, some clips. These are basically just to attach. They're almost like Velcro. They just kind of attach to your actual hair and push it back in case I have flyaways. Brush, comb, water, and then some dry shampoo to make my hair kind of tacky because, like I said, my hair is very healthy and soft. And then these are my dreads. If you guys have not seen them, I will link the Etsy shop down below that I got them from. They are a mix of dreads and braids, and then some of them have like little hanging, like little charms and stuff on them. This one has a feather. But there are a few different ones in there. Kiwis. Hello, Kiwish. Hi. Hi, princess. So I'm going to go ahead and start. That is the first one in. There are some flyaways. Last time it sort of bothered me, but I also didn't wrap them as good. So what I think I'm going to do this time is I'm going to not only add like another little elastic, but I think I might actually use some threading and like wrap the threading around to like make them kind of cuter. And it is 10:26 a.m. right now, so we're going to see how long this whole process actually takes me. But once they are in, you should be able to pull the dread down, and then they should be good to go. Now, mine are a little stiff just because they are newer, but the more you wear them and the more you have on there, the more they will kind of lighten up a little bit. So there's one in, and that's what we got, and I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I took that one out and I re-put it in, and then I took some thread right here and then just kind of put that in. So now it hangs flush to the face. I didn't leave as much hair out the first time, the second time, so I just kind of re-put them in. So now I have one in and it's laying a lot better. The first one did not lay really good, and that was the issue I had last time because I didn't position it right. So make sure you do that first, like position it, make sure the little things don't go and like stick straight out. That's kind of what it was doing, but that's only if I have it twisted, but this actually lays flat against my head. So that one works a lot better. Alrighty, so I'm done with this little like front portion, and they're laying like really nicely. This one, I guess because of how my bangs were, I had to like really, like I was able to braid it around this much, and then down here I had to like add in the little threading, but I don't know, so far so good. I'm liking it, and it's laying so much better than the first time around. I'm not anywhere near being done, but it's working out pretty good. Okay, so I have finished the half that I'm going to do on this side of my head. I have a very tiny little bit back here, but I want to make sure it's done correctly, so I'm going to have my best friend do that later, but I think it probably looks so funny. Let's see. Okay, so back here I have like a tiny bit that it's hard to see, but since I have that triangle cut out, it's really not a whole lot, but it's hard for me to see, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side now. And I don't know, I seriously love these so much, and they're so much tighter. They don't move around as easy like the other ones did when I put them in last time, and they're laying so much better. And I think that's partially due to I kind of like washed them and like let them soak and stuff the last time when I took them out, so I think it kind of helps because they're not as stiff. But yeah, so it is, what time is it? It's 11:50 now, and I'm gonna go ahead and do what I can on the other side. Okay, so I'm finally starting to love what it looks like, but as you can kind of see in the mirror back there, I have a little section from like here to here that I have not done yet because I want to make sure it's done right. So we have just the top front dreads in and a few braids thrown in there, and then later I will have that part done. So looks kind of weird in the back still, even if I leave it like this. You can see a little pony, but that's where we're at. Okay, so it's all done. I have the back fully finished, and then I just put like a little bun on top or whatever, but they are back in. They're very long. They go all the way down to like waist area, which is kind of a lot for me, but they're in and we are good to go. So hope that was informative and hope you guys liked it.